It is unknown what motivates eagles to attack people. An adult male would probably be too big of a prey for an eagle, but an eagle can cause potentially life-threatening injuries. This is another video where an eagle accidentally attacks a Russian parachute paraplane man, Viktor Sarkov, when he is flying over the Himalaya mountains in India in 2011. The eagle crashes into the paraplane slings, and Viktor had to descend by using his emergency parachute. When he got to the ground, he freed the eagle from the slings.
Есть, жив, цел,